Hello! Today we're making Pia cakes, or mooncakes with flaky crust and creamy mung bean filling. Start by soaking mung beans for 20 to 30 minutes. While that's soaking, make the butter or oil dough by mixing flour, sugar, and butter. The dough will be crumbly, but flatten it out onto a plastic wrap and chill it for 30 minutes. Then we'll make the water dough by combining flour, sugar, and salt. Make a well in the center and add in an egg. Then add cold water 1 tablespoon at a time until the dough comes together. Chill this dough as well. Steam the mung beans for 25 to 30 minutes or until they are soft when pressed. Transfer the cooked mung beans into a bowl and mix with sugar and salt, mashing the beans while mixing to get a smooth consistency. Cook off any excess liquid as needed. Divide and roll the filling into 1-inch size balls. To finish off the laminated dough, roll out the water dough until it is twice as large as the butter dough. Place the butter dough in the center and fold the water dough to envelop the butter dough. Roll out the dough. Fold like a letter and roll out again. Repeat this 3 to 4 times. After the final fold, roll the dough out into a thin sheet. Use a cookie cutter or knife to cut out dough pieces that are at least twice as large as the filling. Place the filling in the center and smooth the dough around it. Brush the tops of the mooncakes with a bit of egg wash. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes or until golden. Let cool. Enjoy! For full recipe and more, visit crafts2crumbs.com.